Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
Bitcoin Cash essentially is a mid-positioned cryptographic money at present valued at $315.55 that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $6,224,395 in an in every practical sense significant way. Over the past fundamentally couple of years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin Cash, laid out a really impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world, and for the most part are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards forks. A few institutional financial backers even consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in a significant way. Retail financial backers and dealers really are keen on digital currencies, certainly, for example, BCH, on the grounds that this sort of is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources basically have the genuinely potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately kind of brief time frame, which most certainly is very huge. These profits basically are truly impossible in beautiful different business sectors, which truly is the motivation behind why most sort of moderate financial backers certainly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital forms of money like Bitcoin Cash, while the groundbreaking ones essentially give a huge part of their funding to this quickly creating resource class in an unpretentious manner. At this in every practical sense specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin Cash to the level at $315.55 where it at present sits, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. As currently referenced, BCH basically is a mid-position cryptographic money since it by possesses the 22nd spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the metric that not set in stone by duplicating the kind of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. So Bitcoin Cash, for the most part, is a mid-position cryptographic money right now estimated at $315.55 that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $6,202,428,395, which by and large is very huge. On account of Bitcoin Cash, the market capitalization especially remains at $6,202,428,395. The significance of this boundary will be in every way that really matters made sense of later, or so they basically thought. Our cost expectation calculation essentially is planned in commonly such a manner that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to in a real sense give our supporters the most dependable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently explicitly evaluate the condition of their portfolio and in every practical sense, choose whether or not it in a real sense needs to in every practical sense be reconfigured, which shows that by and large retail financial backers and dealers explicitly are somewhat keen on digital currencies truly, for example, BCH, on the grounds that this for the most part is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources truly have the genuinely potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a generally sort of brief time frame, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which most certainly is somewhat irreplaceable for the exceptionally right assessment of both especially current expected market structure and the evaluation of its fundamentally present and future heading in an extremely enormous manner. Underneath you will in every practical sense find especially key extracts of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could basically have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin Cash market by and large is going in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on February 29, at BCH in a real sense was esteemed at $296.76 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings generally recall that digital forms of money truly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., or so they certainly thought. The cost change rate-wise over the said period in a real sense added up to 0.85%, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on February 23, Bitcoin Cash truly was exchanged at $260.25 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its fundamentally present position, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. On February 1, which especially was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $237.34, the cost level that by and large is at the distance of 32.95% from where it as of now in a real sense stands. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX explicitly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost expectations of by and large enormous way. Market capitalization by and large is one more significant for the most part metric that generally assists traders with by and large deciding the fame of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities in an unobtrusive manner. It's likewise used to basically evaluate the offer that Bitcoin Cash in a real sense holds inside the extremely whole digital money market in an exceptionally significant manner. The equation for the computation of market capitalization certainly is fairly straightforward. The coursing supply of the money being referred to sort of is duplicated by its essentially current cost in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of BCH basically remains at $6,224.28,395, enough to name it the 22nd biggest coin on the digital currency market in an especially significant manner. Yesterday, on February 29, the market capitalization of Bitcoin Cash generally remained at $5,832,702,697, or so they in every practical sense thought. 7 days prior, on February 23, the capitalization of BCH generally was $5,113,780,393, which for the most part is very critical. A month prior, on February 1, how much truly capital streaming around this specific market fundamentally added up to $4,658,554,629, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Most digital money financial backers in a real sense stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a sort of specific digital currency and its capacity to fundamentally endure disturbances which for the most part are the in every practical sense normal event on this exceptionally unstable market, or so they thought. The kind of most extreme stock of Bitcoin Cash truly is 21,000 BCH. The truly complete stockpile of BCH at present explicitly remains at 19,655,769 coins in a quite enormous manner. The flowing inventory of the digital currency under survey truly is 19,655,769 BCH, or so they truly thought. This Bitcoin Cash cost expectation wouldn't be really finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the sort of measurement utilized by practically all digital currency merchants to affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain is happening on the rear of the by and large low exchanging volume, there especially is a sort of high likelihood that this move truly is unreasonable and would especially bring about a bullish snare in an unobtrusive manner. Consequently, it's critical to basically dissect the past and the really